Give me food or something. Make me the bowl. He doesn't know there's not food in it. Come here, Naya. Come here, sweetie. Come get some yum-yums. Some food. Look at that. Food, potatoes. There's nothing there, but she's still coming for it. Doing it. Shark attack. Doing it wrong way. She realized that. Hello. Bye. Congratulations. You made it all the way over here. Now come back. Yes, that's right.
She figured it out. Oh no.
I'm not gonna do it anymore. This time you get something if you make it. Give you a candy. I'll give you a gum, piece of gum. Social worker list. Come on, mama. You can do it. Struggle. You did it. Good job.
Yay! Come on, let's go get some yum yum.